Hi everyone, in this video we're going to solve a medium level LeetCode question, the question number 80. So the name of the problem is remove duplicate from sorted array part 2. So the question is such that we are given an array nums which is being sorted in the non-decreasing order, and we need to remove some duplicates in place such that the unique number appears at most twice. This is a very important line for this particular question, that we need to remove some duplicate in place such that the each unique elements appears at most twice. So twice, the word twice is more important in this question. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same, since it is impossible to change the length of the array. In some languages you may find it is all about the Java and so stuff. We are using C++, so we can change it. It's not most difficult for us. So we need to return k after placing this final result in the first case slot of the nums. So we do not need to allocate extra space, and we must try to modify and input array in place of just O for one extra memory. Okay, fine, we can do this. We want to take an example and get in the deep assess. We need to assess what approach we need to apply for this particular question. Okay, let us assume that we are given an example here. Okay, like this, suppose the array is 1 1, or we can say that there is an array where 1 is appearing 5 times, 2 is appearing 3 times, let's say 5 is appearing 1 times. The question statement has given that we need to, if the numbers are being duplicated, we need to present them at least twice, at most twice. Not at most means not more than 2. Same case, we need to represent 2 just twice, and 5 is being used once, so we can use it one time. So by using the approach or algorithm that is mentioned in the question, our output will be 1 1 2 2 5. Okay, so this is the answer that we will get after removing a duplicate from the sorted array. See, sorted, we know that duplicate has been sorted from 1 2 till 5. So when it comes to the code part, okay, we are doing nothing. We are just removing the excess. What all the excess things are there? If we compare this array to the original array, we have 3 ones, okay, which are in excess. We have 2 ones, or 2 twos which are in excess, and we have, it's good. Okay, so we are just removing these excess elements and just taking it, consider it as a counter variable. When the counter matches, it will returns. If it is same, it will return, and if this is same, it will increase it by 1. And if we say the counter is equals to 2, then it will take it inside the array. But if it is greater than 2, then it won't return. Okay, it will just remove that particular variable. So the code is pretty much easy. We are just using a while iteration, and we can easily solve this question. We are used some we can change the size. In fact, we can change the size. We have used nums.begin and nums.end, and we have solved this question. Okay, so I hope you got a good understanding of this question, and you can solve this question with this particular approach that we have seen in this question. That we take a counter, we will just take how many elements are there in the excess, and just delete those extra elements and modify our array. In this way we can solve this question. Let us just run this question to check if there is any error or not. So we're going to check this question. Now all the errors are correct. All the errors, there's no error in this problem. So now we're going to submit and check whether all the TLE part are clear or not. So it has been successfully accepted. That's it for this question. Thank you.